Bigyan kita ng 5 reasons to trust Belvine Barley Capsule. High in fiber, helpful sa cholesterol, regulates blood sugar, helpful sa insulin level, slow stomach emptying. First, high in fiber. For digestion, iwas constipation at bloating. Second, helpful sa cholesterol. Reduce LDL or low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease. Third, regulates blood sugar. You know the drill, control sa matamis para iwas sakit. Fourth, helpful sa insulin level. Si insulin ay yung hormones galing sa pancreas na nag-aalaw sa katawan natin gumamit ng glucose or sugar for energy. Lastly, slow stomach emptying. Meaning mas matagal yung feeling na busog tayo, which helps blood sugar and cholesterol stable. That may result to our balanced weight management. If you find barley helpful in your life, bili ka na habang may stock pa.